Am să încep prin a mă prezenta. Ne-am mai întâlnit acum 6 luni. Mai tare? Ok. Cu cea mai mare parte dintre voi ne-am mai întâlnit acum 6 luni la lansarea produsului HTC One. Mă numesc Mihai Nodea, sunt country manager HTC România și Moldova și încă o dată sunt foarte onorat să văd o audiență atât de largă în această dimineață aici la evenimentul de presă al familiei HTC One. Avem cel puțin două motive foarte, foarte relevante pentru a fi împreună azi și foarte importante din punctul meu de vedere. Am să încep cu primul motiv. Primul motiv este că astăzi reunim în sfârșit într-o familie 3 produse care noi credem foarte, foarte mult. Este vorba de familia One. Așa cum spuneam, acum 6 luni lansam modelul flagship care oferă o experiență premium HTC One. Acum venim cu 2 frați, să le spunem, unul mai mic, HTC One Mini, și unul mai mare, HTC One Max. Toate cele 3 produse au la bază aceste 3 feature-uri inovatoare de care povestim deja de ceva timp încoace: Blinksy, Boomstam și Zoe. Așadar, e un moment important pentru noi, pentru că în sfârșit reunim aceste 3 produse într-o familie pe care o anunțăm și o prezentăm în sfârșit. Al doilea motiv pentru care sunt foarte fericit să vă am alături astăzi este că am reușit pentru dumneavoastră să aducem un simbol al, cred că este cel mai greu trofeu din lumea fotbalului. Este vorba de Europa League și când zic greu mă refer la greutatea lui în kilograme, dar și de fapt mă refer și la importanța pe care acest trofeu și această competiție Europa League, pe care HTC parteneriază în acest moment cu UEFA. Așadar, acest trofeu va fi adus în exclusivitate de către noi aici. Am să vă spun că veți avea și un moment un moment special în care vom discuta puțin despre istoria Europa League, a competiției în sine, cu un invitat special care nu mai are nevoie de prezentări. E vorba de Radu Nau, căruia îi mulțumesc de asemenea pentru prezența în dimineața asta alături de noi. Și după ce vom auzi și povestea competiției Europa League, vă invit să testăm împreună device-urile HTC One din familie, să ne fotografiem împreună cu trofeul Europa League și să povestim despre ce înseamnă aceste device-uri. Îl prezint pe colegul meu, Marco Sascovici, Head of Product Marketing Central Eastern Europe, care ne va povesti în următoarele minute despre familia de produse One și despre ce înseamnă puțin experiența, parteneriatul cu UEFA. Marco?
Thank you. So, hi everyone. As Mihai told you, today we are here to experience not just the UEFA partnership, but also our complete range of HTC One devices. If you're ready to change to premium, just pick the right size for you and you will make the right decision. So just to move on a little bit when it comes to the sizes of our phones. First of all, we have launched HTC One. Then we did introduce HTC One Mini as, let's say, a relatively smaller companion for anyone who wants a premium device, but finds the size of 4.3 inches as ideal. And now, when it comes to phablets, you will see that our very exciting HTC One Max is here, so you can experience that one as well. And with these 3 devices, we have basically completed one story for 2013, and we would like to thank you all for the support in bringing this story to life. Also, we do pay a lot of attention to details on all of these devices, so you will see that regardless of the size, the key aspect and what you put most effort into is really the design. So this is the first contact you get when you feel your phone, and this is something that should feel exclusive and as premium as possible. On the other hand, what is really unique on all those three devices is the is the sound quality. You have stereo frontal speakers on all three devices, so as I said, regardless of which one you choose, you will get not just the loudest, but actually the best sound on any mobile device. On the other hand, we wanted to improve screen quality as well. As you remember, in 2012, One X was one of the best phones out there when it comes to screen quality. And we did a lot to try to continue this story with HTC One, and we really believe that you will simply love the screen on HTC One range of products. One Mini 4.3 720p, really great. You already know everything about HTC One. It's really one of the best screens on the market. And now you can experience HTC One Max with really beautiful 5.9-inch Full HD screen. So this is what HTC One Max is all about. So on top of this, you will see Android 4.3 in HTC One Max, so the latest Android plus the latest version of Sense 5.5, and soon you will be able to test the device and see for yourself what does the Sense 5.5 bring you and the customers. And definitely we are going to spend a few words addressing the dual SIMs as well on Romanian market. So please don't read this. This is just a set of bullets indicating the history of firsts behind HTC. So what we did throughout this really exciting history since 1998 is really try to innovate and bring something new to the market. It's not just the aluminum phones, the first Google phone, the first Android phone, or first frontal stereo speakers. It's about what the end user experience really is. So when it comes to HTC, what we are trying to make is make really beautiful, exciting phones, but with a twist. So you will be surprised even after 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months of using HTC when you find some new little detail that is maybe hidden on first sight in our HTC Sense. So the idea is that the experience on all of our devices, not just HTC Ones, today the topic is HTC One, but even on our Desire range, anything that the CPU can handle and we know about it, it's going to be there, and the experience will be really unique on HTC devices. So 2008 and 2009 we have made the first HTC Sense device. It was the HTC Hero. Since then, a lot of things has changed. Today, Sense is really flat. It's really minimalistic. It has really low impact on the memory of the phone. So we believe that you will love Sense 5.5 even more, and that this evolution of Sense can clearly be visible since all of you guys have been using HTC devices, and I see a lot of different HTC devices here among you. So really, from 2008, a lot of things have happened. Now we have a set of devices which have a unique and different home screen, and we will talk about this right now. So it's called BlinkFit. When we announced it, there was a lot of questions from you guys. Do you think that customers will use your alternative home screen instead of the Android home screen? So we said yes, it is really a bold move, but let's try it. And at the moment, 85% of people who are using HTC are using BlinkFit as their home screen. The good news is that finally we have local content in Romania, and this content can grow. So don't be surprised when you get more and more local relevant news and information directly on your home screen. So this is really out-of-the-box experience. You just select a region and you're there. On HTC One Max and all the phones with Sense 5.5, you will be able to combine the regions. So you can say, I'm a Romanian person, living in Munich and interested in English news. So you can combine Romanian, German and English in one single stream of data. So this is one of the things that's new. One other thing is the boom sound. We will have nice accessories to accompany the great story when it comes to sound quality. One of the coolest accessories is the small subwoofer that you can use with any of HTC One devices or any HTC devices with boom sound, even Desire 601. And then there is of course HTC Zoe, a really complete story when it comes to camera, not just the performance of the ultra-pixel camera itself, but what you can actually do with the content that you make. And now on HTC One Max and updates that the others will be receiving, it's even more powerful. So besides having more options for Zoe highlights, you will still enjoy HTC Zoe photos, and you will combine photos, highlights, Zoes and videos to make that perfect experience without having to copy the content to your notebook, using some editing software and so on. So on top of this, maybe something you didn't know, all of our devices are HTC Pro certified, and this means that they can easily be used as a business device. This means that they are completely secure. Everything on the phone is encrypted. There is an option to for the company to use remote management of devices to easily deploy, install, uninstall applications, policies, anything that you would normally expect from some other manufacturers that are somehow perceived as business phones. So your business phone can be cool, and this is basically any HTC phone out there. So you can just pick various HTC phones and use all the HTC Pro certified content there. So when it comes to design, you already know all the complete story behind HTC One. We did a lot of experimenting with aluminum, with unibody materials, but now we finally, not now, but in February, we have finally announced HTC One and the complete line of devices, including One Mini and One Max. We are very, very proud that even today, you guys are still talking about it, making it a reference point to any comparisons that you make when you test new devices. It's really important for us to stay there and for this device to be relevant throughout the year, and it really is. We have just received more awards, and now it's October and the device was announced in February. So we are really proud with what we have done. And here you go, HTC One in silver, black and red, and there is one blue version out there as well, so please check out the metallic blue outside as well. So what we can exclusively announce today, Mihai, is the dual SIM version of HTC One in Romania, coming really soon. So I have this device here with me at the moment. So it's not unibody, you can remove the back plate, you have a micro SD card slot there, you have dual active micro SIM slots, so you can easily use two SIM cards at the same time. And everything else is identical to HTC One, so you can just enjoy the HTC One plus all the dual SIM benefits that could be used. So on top of it, the star of the day is definitely HTC One Max, because it's simply beautiful. When you see that screen, any other device seems less interesting. So try it out, please. And of course, when we did create HTC One Max, we did pay a lot of attention to details. We have addressed some of the issues some customers have with HTC One. So it is not the idea for us to make the phone better than HTC One. So in terms of specifications, One and One Max are fully comparable. And this is why we have used the same CPU, we have used the same amount of memory. We wanted to create a perfect experience on both of the devices, but also the best experience when it comes to battery life. So yes, Snapdragon 600 is inside, but the huge 3300 milliamp battery is inside. So you will really get that full day of 5.9 greatness on your HTC One Max. So that's the HTC One family, HTC One Mini, HTC One and HTC One Max. And the next thing is to talk a little bit about UEFA.